Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be looking at HackerRank's practice problem number 1, which is entitled Welcome to Java. So here I am on the HackerRank dashboard, or actually I'm in the Java portion, but in the dashboard you scroll down, skills available for practice, and I clicked on Java. And Welcome to Java is the first problem. So welcome to the world of Java. In this challenge, we practice printing to standard out. The code stubs in your editor declare a solution class and a main method. Class solution, main method. Complete the main method by copying the 2 lines of code below and pasting them inside the body of your main method. So they basically just want 2 outputs, hello world and hello Java. So let's just copy this and paste it here. And then I like to clean it up so it looks pretty. And that's pretty much all they're asking for. This is just going to print hello world and hello Java. So we run the code here. Looks good. Congratulations. Submit it. Fetching results. Congratulations. You solved the challenge. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to try and go through all of these, and this was the first one, so it was super simple. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.